Those are pretty colors, buddy.
See? It's brushing. See?
Yeah.
This is brushing. See? It's brushing.
Did you paint? Rub it all in.
I'm brushing. It's brushing, Ma. It's for
Are
brushing.
you painting?
Yeah, it's painting. I'm painting. Painting this, see?
Mm-hmm.
I'm on the floor too.
Okay.
Mom, this. Put on pink. Then again, look up at the pink. Now, then let's jump a little bit now.
What are you painting?
Me.
You're painting you?
Yep, I'm painting. I'm painting Thomas.
You're painting Thomas?
Yeah. This is his face. This is his nose. And this is his face. And that's his pocket.
This is what?
This is his face.
Oh. That looks like a snake.
And that's you, Mom.
That's me?
That's you.
Oh.
And I want to bring you, Dad.
All right.
That's you, Dad.
Yeah.
I bring Dobie. And that's Dobie.
That's Dobie? That's okay.
Now I draw candy.
Okay.
Now that's candy.
Can you look at me? What are you doing?
Painting.
You painting?
Uh-huh. Painting.
You having fun?
Yep.
Put your put some on your face.
No, I don't want to get size.
Paint your belly.
Yeah, paint your big belly.
No paint.
Paint your belly.
Put the paint on your belly. Let me see. Let me see. Turn around. Let me see. Well, don't eat it.
Turn around, Tucker.
Let me see. Turn around. Let me see your belly. No, look at me. You're so silly. Paint with your fingers.
Okay. See one?
Yeah, put paint with your fingers up there.
Yeah, set the brush down. Use your fingers.
Wait, this one too?
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting it everywhere.
Let me see the brush. Let me see it. Use your hands.
Use your fingers.
Use your hands.
In there, buddy.
Paint with your hands. Paint with your fingers.
Okay.
Oh, look, let me see this. Now, use your fingers on it. Paint with your fingers.
You look like an Indian.
Paint with your fingers.
Paint on the wall.
Paint on the wall with your hands.
There you go. You can write things in it.
Are you still videoing?
Mm.